Alright, so for turtle, first thing here is the trachea. You can see the branch right there. And they go all the way down to the lungs, which isn't a part on the list, but here they are, just for fun. And then the next one is the esophagus. And it's right under the trachea there. It's pretty big and it connects all the way through to the stomach, which is this right here. And then we have the ventricle slash heart, and that's this right here. This whole thing is ventricle heart. And then we have the liver, which is this giant thing. And it's actually originally on both sides, but I took out this side so you could see the rest of the parts. And then stomach here again. Intestines, there's a lot of them. All these are intestines. And then ovaries, there's also a lot. I removed a lot of them, but you can see those little tiny balls of all different sizes right there. Those are all developing and ovaries. And then pancreas is right here after the stomach, attached to the intestines, right there. And then you have the urinary bladder, which is back here. This little thing right here. And then you have the kidney, which is hard, it's pretty deep down, but you can find it. You pull all the intestines back and move the ovaries out of the way. You can see it right there. It doesn't look like a traditional kidney, it's not rounded or anything, but it's that little thing back there. And then the last one on it is spleen, which is connected amongst all the intestines. It originally was pretty close to the liver. You can see it's just a little guy right there connected to the intestines. That's it.